Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. This is our third alternate card using elements from the July 2025 Paper Pumpkin Kit called Sweeter With You. So I am going to do a couple of different things here. These are all elements from the kit. I've got a card base from the kit. You could cut it in half and put it on even a Daffodil Delight background, but I'm going to build it as it is. What I want to do is just use the hello from a hello friend. So I've masked off the comma and part of friend, and I'm going to stamp this on here in Daffodil Delight. So to do this, I am going to just ink up the hello, making sure I get the side, like the little sticky out piece on the O. And then I'm going to peel the washi tape off, and I'm going to throw my stamp across the table, and then I'm just going to stamp down the hello. So there we go. We've just got the hello on there, and I'm going to stamp You're the Best in the Daffodil Delight on this pool party greeting banner. Let's see how that looks. Oh, actually, you know what? That turned out really, really nicely. Okay, so now I just need to put this together. I know that this is going to go kind of in the middle like this. So this is going to go in behind it like this. So let's do that like that. So I'm going to pop this down with some adhesive. Sorry, I'm out of frame. There we go. So we're going to pop this down like this. I'm actually going to put it at a bit of an angle like that. Okay, and then we're going to actually build this off the page, and then we're going to dimensionalize it onto the front of the card. So I'm going to pop the You're the Best down like this, and I want to put it down so that there's a little bit of white top and bottom on it. There we go. I'm going to leave these as they are. I'm not going to add in any color to these. I've got 3 of them, and I am going to use my adhesive dots from the kit because they make the most sense for these little flowers. There we go. And I have to get my bling basket out because I haven't decided what I'm going to do for bling on this one. So I'm going to pop one of these like that, and then one of these coming off the bottom like that, and then we're going to add in the third one like that. And you know what? I am going to dimensionalize that one. I've decided on the fly, changing my mind. I've mentioned it before when I'm doing alternates. I only buy one kit, so I don't have a lot of extras to work with, so I don't make the card beforehand. I just fly by the seat of my pants when I'm on the video. So we're just going to put the dimensionals down on this. And I do have some Daffodil Delight ribbon, but I don't think I actually have a way to use it on this one. So we're going to pop this here like this towards the edge of the card, but not covering up the hello. There we go. So we've got the hello, You're the Best. And I need to just bling this out a little bit. And I'm going to have a look and see if popping these flowers up here, that's going to work. Okay, so let me just get, sorry, arms in the frame there. I'm going to get my little dimensionals out again and just pop a couple of little dimensionals down and see, because that hello is very lonely up there by itself. So I'm just going to pop that there like that. And this one over here like this. Okay, so it just kind of brings that one in a little bit. And I think this one, I'm going to see if I can move it over a little bit like that. There we go. Okay, so I think I am okay with how that looks like that. I think if I put another flower in, it might look a bit much, but I'm going to do it anyway. It actually looks okay. So we're going to get our adhesive dots back again. Pop an adhesive dot on the back of this one. And then we're just going to peel that off. And I'm just going to pop it down like that. So we've got a scatter of flowers there. Now let's bring in the bin. I don't have any, I don't think I've got anything with yellow on it. I've got some brushed brass butterflies that might not look too bad. Oh, what's this timid? These are timid tiger. Maybe I'll use those timid tiger ones. Okay, fabulous. These are the 2025 to 2027 in color flat pearls. So let's bring some of these in. I'm going to pop one up here like this, and I'm going to pop one down here like this, and maybe one up over here, and then I'm going to pop one there like that, and I'm going to add one more just for good measure, and I'm going to pop that down there like that. So that is our final card now finished. So this is our third alternate in the July 2025 Paper Pumpkin Kit. Stay tuned for more alternates the rest of the week.